In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record a movie with Napari to show your images with nice animation to other colleagues' presentations, conferences, kind of things. So here I have what I had in previous video, so my image, and I also have labels. So the way it works, so I'm going to open the corresponding plugin. It's called, if I go to plugins, there's one. So it's wizard, but between brackets, you can see Napari animation. So that's the plugin that allows you to do animation. So I'm going to open this plugin. Takes way too much room here. So the way it works is that you actually define steps, and then a video will be recorded going from one step to another. So let's say, for example, I'm going to switch off the labels. I'm going to start with my image. So here it's in 2D. For example, I'm going to take first shot is here. Can go all the way up to here. Maybe when I still have some signal, and then I'm going to capture the second keyframe. So then video is going to go from keyframe 0 to keyframe 1. I can delete one if I want, and then so here you can choose how it's basically interpolated between frames. Linear is most of the time really fine. Don't need to worry about that. You could actually change to something different, but I think most of the time linear is going to be fine and is going to be faster. And then you also define the number of steps in between. So here, for example, I only have 15 steps, which is probably not that much. So I'm going to increase it to 30, and I'm going to go back to step 1 and save the next key. So you'll see, no, sorry, not save, but capture. Yeah. So we'll see the difference. From 0 to 1, it's only 15 steps. From 1 to 2, it's 30 steps. And I'm going to keep 30 steps from now on. So then I can, for example, move it to 3D, capture it, rotate like this, capture, add the labels, for example. Rotate like this, going back. All right, capture, remove the image, switch up the image, and capture, maybe zoom in. It's going to be great because there's nothing I want to show here actually, but it's just to give an example. Put back the image. And like I'm gonna rotate all the opposite way if I manage to do it. All right. Sorry, just using one hand sometimes is not that convenient. Okay, I'm gonna just put it like this and zoom at the same time and capture it. It's not going to be great, but just to show you. And then so I can save the animation. So if you hit the same animation, you can define where you want to save it. I'm going to put it, let me check if I can go. I like to go on maybe on my desktop. Can I find it here? I don't remember how it's defined here. No. All right, directly here. Let's put it in my in my users, and then let's put in the users. It's fine. It doesn't really matter because it's just a test. All right, I already have a test. So I'm gonna show you if you want to do it over another one. If you save it, then it's gonna save it over. And if you want to see how much time it takes, you go back to your Anaconda prompt, and here you see it's actually working on it. And when this is over, then you can open your file. So let me go there. If I go to my user account, this is so far it's not over. You can see 90%. All right, almost there. Okay, it's down. So now I can open it. And so I just created a video of, so let me, I guess, yes, it's here. And so it recapitulates the different steps. You see it added, zooming it, rotating and zooming out. Just gonna show you, so if you remember, the first keyframe was only 15 steps and then 30 steps. So if I run it, it goes faster now than it goes now. It takes twice as much time as it took. So here it's not a huge difference. I should have, maybe changed parameters more drastically to show you what it, how it affects the video. But you see, it's very easy to create a nice video. It's always nice to have this kind of videos to show your, your images to colleagues, or to show them at conferences, for example.